Hello, my name is Braxton Fletcher, and this is my ECEN 240 Lab 2 completed circuit board. So, for this lab, we created a couple of finite state machines that describe the behavior and planning for our finished robot. And so, the first thing I wanted to demonstrate for my circuit board is the collision mechanics. So I push this middle button here, and as you can see, the middle button turns on, letting us know that it is detecting a collision. Now, to the left and right of this button is the drive buttons. As you can see, we can turn them on individually. We can turn them on both at the same time. But if during this we press the collision button, both of these will turn off. You can see that demonstrated with just one. I can't turn it on. Interrupted. Interrupted. The second one I wanted to show was the servo up and servo down LEDs. So as you can see, we can turn them on individually, but if we turn them both on, then they both turn off. And as you can see, we can also turn on the collision, and these still work perfectly fine. And we can still drive with these on. And collision still prevents us from doing it, turning on the drive ones. So the way that this works is this collision one, when this is on, it just tells the motors to stop turning on. So it stops the function that allows the driving. The other thing we have is, though I can't really show it with LEDs, when we're detecting light on both sides, such as when I'm pressing both these buttons, both of the drive LEDs will turn on, and thus it will go straight. I stop pressing this button. It's still detecting light on that side. It keeps going straight, but I turn them both off, and both the lights go off, and the robot stops. The other thing is when we have the light detection on this servo, when we press one of the buttons, it's detecting it in one direction, so the servo starts moving in that direction, or it could move in this direction. But as soon as both of them are pressed, it's detecting light on both of them, it stops moving because it is centered on that light and thus has no reason to move. But if we take our finger off either of the buttons, then it starts moving in that direction. And then if we take our finger off both buttons, then they both stop and it's stationary. So I hope that was a good explanation of how this finite state machine is working. And yeah, I hope the wiring was all good. And thank you.